I quit my job. This video is to give you an update about the status of Bane Tech and also Bane Creative. So I'm speaking to both audiences. If you don't know the difference between the two, Bane Tech is a tech YouTube channel, a website that I've built up for years now, ever since I used to stay home with Olivia as a stay-at-home dad going to school full-time to get my degree. And Bane Creative is something that I started, which would be 2 years in August coming up, a business, a videography business that I've actually started to do some photography stuff too. So I'm doing photography and videography professionally as a business owner, as an entrepreneur. I can never say that word right. Entrepreneur. I have to say it slower, otherwise I'll just butcher it every time. Yeah, like exciting news. I am a full-time content creator, full-time YouTuber, full-time business owner, all that kind of stuff put together. I have so many goals and desires with Bane Creative and also Bane Tech that I can't wait to get going to actually get it off the ground. This week is planning. It's a lot of planning and stuff like that, but I'm also of course editing videos because I just have so many videos to edit at the moment. So with all that said, this is really just an announcement video, kind of sharing with you guys my excitement that I'm able to say that I'm a full-time business owner going after videography and photography, really just creative services, period. There's some other services that I'm going to offer pretty shortly. Gonna try to dive into some workshops and things like that, try to help out small businesses to be creative without actually having to be a full-time creator or something like that, like myself. And that's just a little snippet of what I'll be doing with Bane Creative. As far as Bane Tech goes, man, you guys have been put on the back burner, and I would say I apologize for that, but I'm not going to, because Bane Creative has been the priority. When I have paying customers like brides and grooms for their weddings and all that kind of stuff, they definitely have taken priority over Bane Tech, and this is just something I've had to do. I haven't given up on Bane Tech by any means. I've still been able to put out some content, but not nearly as much as what I used to, but that's fixing to change. Bane Creative will still be the biggest priority, but Bane Tech is going to be able to get a little bit of a revamp going furthermore. So I can't wait to be able to work on both things and give great effort to both camps. Oh man, there's a lot that I could just go on. This is almost worth a podcast kind of episode or video. Speaking of podcast, I really want to get into podcasting. That's something I just really like to do. I'm just going to kind of be random at this point. There's a lot that I want to say, and I'm just going to kind of go off the cuff at this time. So Bane Creative, let's talk about that for a second. Bane Creative, I'm going to continue doing wedding photos, wedding videos. I want to dive into the corporate business realm of stuff. I've not been able to really dive into the corporate side of stuff that I've liked to because of working during the day, and I'm pretty sure that businesses, they don't want to work outside business hours. So now I'm going to be able to try to hit that market, and I can't wait to get going with that kind of stuff. I want to offer professional video, professional photo, some other kind of creative services for small businesses or even big ones. Whatever clients come my way, that we can work together to come up with a creative solution for their company. That's what I really want to go after with Bane Creative, with that side of it. Definitely going to still do wedding photos, wedding videos. I love doing those. It's so special to me to be able to capture those people's weddings on photo or video. There's so many times that I catch myself back reliving the moments when I'm going through the editing process, whether it's photos or videos. So it's just a very awesome thing that I get to be part of, and I can't wait to continue to do that. I got a lot of weddings coming up. May is gonna be such a busy month. I think I got, 4 weddings? That's a lot for 1 month, but I can't wait to be able to work each and every one of them. So yeah, weddings are definitely not going away. Send people my way. I need your references. I need you to be able to refer people to me. I get a lot of business that way, so it really helps. I love it when you guys refer people my way. And that goes nationwide. So if you're watching this, let's say just even worldwide, you can send people my way. I would love to be able to connect to people. I want to travel. That's something I definitely want to do. So I'm going to kind of go on that rabbit trail for a second. I want to travel. I want to be able to do projects that's going to get me across the country, go to different places of the country or even world. That's a desire that I definitely have. So whether it's for Bane Tech or Creative, I want to travel. That's something I definitely want to do. So Bane Creative, I have so many ideas and I can't wait to get those going. Bane Tech, oh my gosh. Like I said, you guys have been on the back burner, but you guys are coming right back into the workload. I can't wait. I mean, I'm sitting here holding the S9 Plus. I have not been able to even put out my review about this thing because I've been so busy with the Bane creative stuff. And that's something I can get out quicker now. I'll be able to take more time to do that, budget my time a whole lot more. I've not been able to work on stuff because of 40 hours during the week. I have 40 hours that I can work with now. And I don't have to do it at nighttime. Like, my schedule has been so busy. Like, I work my day job, which is 8 to 5:30 every day. And then I get home, have dinner, spend time with the family, then spend time with my wife as soon as the kids go down for bed. And then after that, I'll work on some stuff. Or at times, if there's a deadline, if I'm trying to hit a mark, I have to sacrifice some of the family time at times. But side note to that is that I have made it a point ever since I graduated college that I am not going to sacrifice family time for anything else. Family time is definitely a priority just because of those reasons. Back when I was working full-time and also taking full-time college work, it was just tough to be able to do stuff that I wanted to do when I was wanting to hang out with the family, do family events and all that. I just had to say I couldn't because I had to do this or that. And ever since then, I made it a priority to where I wasn't going to put anything ahead of family. You know, of course, there's some exceptions here and there. There's a lot going through my mind right now because I have so much I want to do. The reason why I even said all that was because I can work on all the business kind of stuff, the tech or creative things during the day. Once 5 o'clock hits, it's nothing but Josh and family time. Like, I could go do stuff. I could be part of things. I can build up community within like friendships and family and stuff. Being able to focus like my life on like where I want to focus on. One last thing, like YouTube is a big thing I really like. I love YouTube. It's something that I've been working on for years now. It's provided so many opportunities. I wouldn't be here where I'm at right now if I didn't have Bane Tech. Bane Tech has provided so many different opportunities, whether it's traveling the world, jobs, just getting experience with video to even get to the Bane creative side of stuff. So Bane Tech it holds a special place in my heart. So it's got a lot of cool stuff coming that way. But what I was saying with YouTube is that I want to start some Bane creative YouTube videos, not just sharing just all the final products. I want to do workshop type stuff. I want to do tips, tricks, gear reviews, things like that. Just develop a creative channel. And it's something I've been kind of holding back a little bit because I actually have like 3 YouTube channels. I got Bane Tech, I've got a personal Joshua Bane one, and then I also have Bane Creative. Bane Creative, I've just been uploading the wedding videos or promo videos that I've produced. But now it's gonna have some playlist of some different stuff, and I can't wait to get going on that. Yeah, so it's just like, oh, so much to tell you guys, so much to talk about. All right, I'm gonna have to end the video. I said this was gonna be a short one, and definitely has not turned out to be a short one. Now I'm gonna edit this video now and try to get it out so I can share with you guys the good news. I'm also going to a really cool event at the Thirsty Pig tonight, which is a filmmaker screening. So I'm gonna be able to connect with some other filmmakers here locally in the Dothan area. So that's awesome. If you're going to be there, I'll see you there, but if not, I'll let you know how it goes. Follow me on all those social networks. Like, I'll be posting updates. I'm trying to build up the social networks there too. Send clients my way. Like, I have my pricing and all that kind of stuff, but let's sit down, have a cup of coffee, chat about what I can do for you guys or your friends, family, whoever that needs some video or photo work, creative work, whatever the case may be. So I'm stumbling over my words, and it's just time to hang this up and get going. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited.